What's up, YouTube? So it's been a while since I made a video, just because I've just been lacking, you know. But today I'm gonna show you what we've got on the farm. We've got all kinds of new animals, all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna show you what we got new here on the farm. And I built a lot of new stuff. It's gonna be a long, not really long video, but we got all kinds of new animals. So I'm gonna start showing you what we got in the new farm. All right, so first off, we got some new goats. And we got bad news about goats too. So here's the new goats we got. So first off, we got this new goat. Her name is Muffin. She's 5 months old. Second, we got this one. Her name is Copper. She's 5 months old. And then we got Mr. Snicker over here. His name's Snicker. He's a Billy. And then all the way up here on the top, we got Kit Kat. He's a Billy too. But then you can see her little head poking. That's Oatmeal. And if you are wondering why Oatmeal is locked up, it's because she likes to get out a lot and she's got to get used to the new home. But this, she's real friendly. And she is, and he is, but she's just not so yet. But that's okay. I bet you're wondering where Hershey is. Well, let's just say Hershey passed away. She had some kind of seizure worm stuff, yeah. But she passed away about 3 weeks ago. So I just went and bought more goats. But here's some chickens we bought when they was chicks. Now they've all grown up. I'll show you them. These are Isa Browns. We got 8 of them, I think, or 7. They should start laying anytime soon by now. These are Copper Morans that we got. They should start laying at any time too. Then these right here are called I'm Chamani. They're like a rare all black chicken. You can see it right there. She's not, but the rest of them are. They lay good eggs too. Right up here we got another turkey. We got a turkey hen and a turkey tom. He's a sweetgrass turkey, and his name is Tim. Her name is Chocolate, because she's a chocolate turkey. And right up there's a solid black rooster. And these are hair chickens. Well, they're called zombie chickens. You can see because they look like a zombie. Right here, we built a little lot for the turkey. So I'll take him in here and show you. So see, you walk in, get back chickens, and then you walk in here, and they're gonna try to escape, but I'll give you a little look in. Alright, here's you a look in here real quick. I built that out of pallets, and then the fence, 50 by 50 fence. So they got plenty of room to run, and then they got a building that I close at night that they go into. Okay, so now you walk up here, and we got, alright, so you got the rabbit lot that I built up here. And we got a little surprise in the rabbit lot. Let me show you. Here's the surprise in the rabbit lot. There's babies. Alright, and there's babies everywhere in here. Let's see. There you go. Up there's the mom. He's a little pretty one. Okay, so we got them. Now, our one mom, let's see where she's at. Right here's one for chicks stuck in the daggone cage. He hatched out 6 little babies and only 2 live. That's the chick. And then where'd she go? There's the other chick. I don't know where the other one went, but we bought this here electric fence for the goats to keep them in. So you can turn it off, but it goes all the way up to 330 some feet. So it goes all the way up through here and around through, yeah, you get what I'm saying. It goes all the way around the hillside. So they can go anywhere they want, really. So then we got our Rhode Red chickens. Them were the ones you've seen before. These and that one, and that's copper. But we got all them, okay? Now, you come over here, and we had a lot of babies in here. This rabbit had some, but, well, it don't seem like there's one baby left. So, I don't know where the babies can get out of this hole, and I don't know where they're going. I just know they can get out. But I know y'all remember the big red rabbit. He died because he got out. But there ain't no babies in here, but I'll show you the mom real quick. The mom, she had 8 babies. I don't know where they went. Tell you what, matter of fact, they might be under here. Nope. Well, I guess they've all died. I don't know where they go to at all. I have no idea. But right here is my garden I'm growing. So I got watermelon. It's a little bitty little plant. Then I got some cucumbers. They're starting to spread out. Then I got my tomato plants through here. And then these are sweet potatoes. And then that one right there in the far is a bell pepper. And then here's some more tomato plants. They're getting bigger. Right here, I have more Rhode Red chickens. They're just not laying eggs right now, and I'm gonna show you why. So the mom got broody and wanted to do this. So now look what I'm stuck with. There is 100 little babies. Now there's actually 11, but that's the mom right there. Here's Conrad. I know you remember him. He's still living. That's mostly all for up here. Now we got some more chicks right down here. I'll show you them. They're cochins. Here's them. You can see them. They're little fuzz balls. And them black ones are them I'm Chamanis. Then if you go through the house, you can see we just hatched some more out. I got more in the incubator. So look right here. Here's the ones we just hatched out. There's zombies and I'm Chamanis. Here's some we got in the incubator. Here is the deer that got hot killed. Got him back. And here's egg. You probably ain't seen egg in a while, have you? Guys, that's gonna conclude for today's video. We did lose Hershey, but things happen, okay? It happens. It wasn't nothing I could do about it. But make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure you leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I promise I'll make another one. Peace.